Hey, it's Biz Tips!
Hello, my name is Braden, and this is Biz Tips. Today we're going to be teaching you how to design your own website in Weebly. Before you start this, I would suggest you go back to our previous episode on the introduction to Weebly, so you're not totally lost in what I'm doing. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up our internet browser, and you want to go to Weebly, just like last time. Open up your website, and when you get into your website, you're going to want to, of course, design it. So what we're going to do first is I've selected my theme, and what we're going to do is I'm going to type up here on the main header, entrepreneurity. Okay, so that's our header. That's what people are going to see. They're going to see entrepreneurity up there. And like I said in the last video, it's click to edit text. So what we're going to do is I see on the layout that I have here, we have a main header, we have some pages, and we also have a lot of room to work with down here. So what we're going to do is I am going to leave my header because I like that. And up here, I'm going to type in entrepreneurity again. So we're just doing this for example reasons. Alright, so for our home page, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to drag into text, and I think I'm going to make it say, by the way, click to edit text. I think I'm going to make it say, welcome to entrepreneurity. I hope you enjoy your stay. Okay. So, by the way, this is just for example. So, nothing is going to look perfect because we're just doing this for example reasons. Okay, so I think for my main page, I want to add an image. And, of course, you drag in the image elements. You click on upload image from your computer. And I'm going to put penguins. We'll be right back when this uploads. Okay, the file is uploaded, and it will pop up here in a second. There you go. And now we have our image on our main page. So this is what people are going to see when they first go to the website. They're going to see entrepreneurity, and then they're going to scroll down here and see penguins, and they're going to see, of course, the text that I've created. If you do not like the size of the photo, you can resize it by going down to the little notches. If you trace over the picture with your cursor, you're going to see these little notches on the side if you scroll down. And at the bottom right of the picture, you're going to see this little blue dot, and you can resize the image by scrolling down, up, side, you know, the main stuff. And when you resize it, it might take a second to load real quick. Okay, so now that I'm happy with my home page, it wasn't too hard. You know, it's a very simple home page. But what we're going to do now is we're going to add our social media links. So what this is it's pretty much you just take your profile of whatever you'd like them to see from your social media. For instance, Facebook, you'd go to your Facebook profile and copy and paste the URL address. So I think I'm going to do that for our Twitter. We'll be right back when I get the Twitter URL. Okay, I'm on my Twitter account. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the Me button. And this is my Twitter URL right here. I'm going to copy it up here. Control C. I'm going to go here and here to the Twitter thing. And I'm going to hit Control V. And as you can see, I just linked in my Twitter account to my website. I don't know if this will work here. But yes, you just added in your link. It's simple as that. You just take your profile and you paste it into the social media area. For instance, if you want to put your email, you put your email in there, put your Facebook. It doesn't matter too much. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip over to the next page. And yes, I'm going to keep the about page because we're going to write a little about us. So this is almost like the description of your website. This is what an about page would be. So I suggest you write something very nice. And I'm just gonna type welcome to entrepreneurity. And this is just for example. If I was making a real website, this would probably be very long. Yes, much longer. So, okay, and I think I'm going to edit this text a little bit. So I'm going to highlight the text, and I think I'm going to make it bigger by hitting the plus. A little bit smaller by hitting the minus. I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm going to change it like 2 notches. And then we're going to change the color of the text, and I'm going to try to match it with that a little. So I think I'm going to select right about there. Okay, so now the website's coming together a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to pages, and I'm going to get rid of the contact page, because I do not need the contact page. I'm going to delete the page by clicking on the contact page, going down to delete page, and yes, delete page. Now we have 2 pages. I'm going to add 1 page. I'm going to hit a standard page, and I'm going to name this page What's New. Make sure you write everything correctly on your website. And, okay, so there's our website, right? There's our new page. What we're going to do is we're going to select the header, and I think I'm going to hit the landing page. I like the landing page for some type of news or what's new thing, just because it looks more like what you would see on a newspaper. Okay, so there's our what's new page. And as you can see, this is what a landing page looks like. You got the text on the side of the picture, and you got your headline. So what we're going to do is we're going to trace our cursor over the image. What we're going to do is we're going to put our cursor over the image, and then we're going to hit edit image, and then add image, and then upload a photo from your computer. And what this is going to do is it's going to make it to where you can put any picture you would like for your news or whatever you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this because I think it looks nice, and we'll be right back when this uploads. The file is complete, and as you can see, we just added our image on here. You can recrop it by selecting your photo, and you can drag these little dots to the down and up, but I'm gonna leave it where it was because I think that's pretty good. Okay, we have the picture, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit OK. Once you've selected OK, you're gonna hit save. Save to this page only. It's gonna load, and there's your picture. After you've selected your picture, you can go to your headline and you can name this a flower or whatever you'd like for your header, and then you can just type in there. So you can really write anything you like there, and if you want, you can take this button text right here and you can edit the text inside the button. And what you can do, you can make it say subscribe if you'd like, or on the bottom of the landing page you can add even more. So if you'd like to add more of this, what you can do is you can add in any of these elements that is not a pro element if you're using the free version. So that is how to edit your landing page if that's what you're using. And so what we're going to do is we are going to go back to our home page and review what we've done so far. So what we've done so far is we've added text to our home page and a picture, and we've added our header, and at the very top you can see we've added our social media, and we've added our tag up there or whatever you'd like to put up there. So our home page looks pretty good. So let's review our about page. Okay, our about page. Okay, we have a text because this is an example. If we were actually making an actual website, this would be very long and to be describing what we're doing, and it would be describing the actual website and what it's about. And then you go over here to the What's New page, and you have your news. And as you can see, it's a flower, and this is a flower. So yeah, that's pretty much how to design a basic website. It's pretty much text, images, and pages. And you want to make sure that you make everything look as professional as possible. And I'm going to teach you how to publish this website. And this should be pretty simple because you're designing your website right now and you're going to see this big, huge button right up here at the right named Publish. And there you go, a awesome tutorial. And you want to hit Continue. And it's publishing your website right now. So, but this is going to show up as, you might get an ad that pops up asking you if you would like to upgrade to a .com. But if you want to keep the free version, all you have to do is X off of this, or you can click on the link to your website. And there you go. Here's your website we have just designed. The very simple design, but it's very professional looking. You go to your About page. You got your About page, and you got your What's New, or whatever you added. And that's pretty much how to add a simple, how to do a simple website design on Weebly. So that's pretty much it. My name is Braden, and this was Biz Tips. If you'd like more tutorials like this, please leave a comment and like below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This was Biz Tips. Bye.